Hello friends, it's Lele again. Today we're going to learn the dance moves to one of your favorite songs, the Jungle World song. Are you ready? Let's go!
Jungle World, there's so much to see, so come along with me, let's meet the animals, meet the animals. Jungle World, there's so much to see, so come along with me, let's meet the animals, meet the animals.
Okay, first we're going to start with our feet. We're going to open and close, open and close. Let's just do that a few times. Great job! You're doing amazing! Excellent! Okay, let's try that again. So, we're going to open our right foot out to the side and we're going to bring our left foot together. Then we're going to repeat to the other side. We're going to open our left foot out and then bring our right foot together. Amazing job, everyone! Now, because you did so well at that, I think we can add some arms. Do you think you're ready to add some arms with me? Amazing! Okay, as we open our leg out, our arm is going to come out to the side, and then when we bring our leg in, it's going to stay there. And when we repeat to the other side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to open and then bring it together, just like that. Did you do that? Great job! Should we try that all together? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go open and close. Open and close. Great job! Do you think we need to try that one more time? Okay, let's do it. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go open and close. Open and close. Amazing job! Now, from here, super easy. We're going to take 4 walks on the spot. Can you try that with me? Great. We go right, left, right, left. Great job. Now, on these walks, I want you to pretend you're walking through the jungle. Can you do that? Amazing job. Now, I think we can add the arms. So, on our walks, we're going to open like the sunrise. And then we're going to call our friends to come join us. Let's try that again. We go open like the sunrise and then call our friends. Did you do that? Great work, everyone. I think we can try it from the beginning. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go open together. Open together. Great. And call your friends. Amazing job, everyone! I think we should try that one last time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go open, close. Open, close. We go around and call your friends. Amazing job! Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now, from here, I want you to show me what a tiger looks like. Can you show me? Oh my goodness, you are so scary! Now, we're going to take 4 walks. We go left, right, left, right. And I want you to pretend you're a tiger or maybe you're a scary lion. So I want your arms like this. I want you to show me your scary face. Show me your scary faces. Wow, you're so scary. And we're going to walk, 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 and walk. Great job, everyone. That was super scary. Should we try it from the beginning? Fantastic. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go open and close. Open and close and around. Call your friends. And tiger. And tiger. Tiger. And tiger. Great job, everyone! You did a fantastic job. I think we can try it with music. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready, everyone? Let's do it!
Jungle
Open,
World,
close,
there's so
Elephant,
much to
close
see,
around.
so come
Call your
along
friends.
with me.
And
Let's meet the
tiger,
animals.
tiger,
Meet the
tiger.
animals.
One more time.
Jungle
Open,
world. There's
close.
so much
Great
to
job.
see,
Don't
so
forget
come
to call
along
your
with me.
friends.
Let's meet the animals.
Amazing.
Meet the animals. Jungle world.
Great job, everyone. That was amazing, but I think we can do it one last time. Don't forget to show me those scary animal faces. Are you ready? Let's go!
The animals, jungle world. There's so much to see, so come along with me. Let's meet the animals, meet the animals, jungle world. There's so much to see, so come along with me. Let's meet the animals, meet the animals, jungle world.
Well done, everyone. That was amazing. Give yourselves a big clap. I can't wait to see you again for some more dance tutorials. Goodbye.